Hi, I'm Troy.
And I'm Marquet, and today we've traveled to North Charleston, South Carolina.
Join us as we discover the evolution of fire trucks. Just inside Charleston's I-526 Beltway, we discovered the North Charleston and American LaFrance Fire Museum and Education Center. Inside, it holds a collection of over 20 fire trucks and priceless firefighting antiquities. Their exhibit displays old-fashioned models produced in the 1800s all the way through modern-day engines. Each of their vehicles have been fully restored to fight fires, just as they did when they were factory new. There are also several interactive exhibits with hands-on equipment, a fully immersive theater experience, and a play area with a functioning fire pole. With 20-plus antique vehicles, it's the largest collection of American LaFrance fire apparatus in America.
Rich will love this.
Oh man,
Rich will love this.
And what's your name?
Ray Bennett.
Ray, what do you do here at the Fire Museum?
I am a docent.
A what?
A docent, a tour guide.
And you are quite the historian when it comes to these fire trucks, aren't you?
We play a little bit.
Yeah.
I was an active firefighter for 40 years.
Oh, wow.
I've got 55 years in my department.
Well, thank you so much for helping us and explaining everything.
We're glad you enjoyed.
fly out at me?
No, you gotta push at it. No, it's not that. You gotta push. Here, start light. Start light.
gonna push it?
You push on the nozzle.
Is this the nozzle?
Yep, that's it. All right, so that's 50 pounds you're pushing against. That's how much water force.
Oh, okay.
So the force of the hose.
50. This is 175. That takes a little bit.
I don't know.
This is 300 pounds. It's not budget. Okay, so now Troy's gonna do 300 pounds. Oh, he can do it.
So, I mean, God.
He's putting his whole body weight
Right.
with his feet pushing down. You gotta have the feet in there.
Because I don't think they can put fires out going like this.
These aren't stairs.
Could you talk a little louder, please?
What?
Come on down the pole, Troy. He's coming down the firefighter's pole. Here he comes. Whee!
Being a firefighter is more than just putting out fires and getting people out of burning buildings. We do lots of other jobs, and we're trained to respond to many different situations.
It brings out the kid in everybody. Oh no. And you can feel the vibration. Do you get to turn the wheel with it? Or no? No, you're not turning the wheel with it.
No,
You're just
We're going straight. Out of the way!
Why am I stopped? I should have the right of way.
Look, this machine lets you have a patch that's a decal,
Yeah.
and you get to make it with your choice of all sorts of things.
Yeah, we tried to put Offbeat Discoveries, but it got a little too compacted.
Yeah.
So I'll make mine now with Discoveries.
Okay.
So we're gonna be Discover IC.
Oops.
I guess we should be. We're gonna be public safety.
Ooh. Love it. Now watch. It's gonna come out this little hole here. There it is. Troy got it. Look.
Nice. Those are actually patches. How cool is that?
Marquet, what did you think of this?
I thought it was so great that I have a confession to make.
Okay.
On the way here, I was burning with anticipation because I couldn't wait to get here. And when we got here, I was like on fire with enthusiasm because it was so cool.
I'll give you that one. I'm not going to hose it down. So what do you think we should give this one?
I think we should give it 2 fire helmets.
I think you're right. Let's do it.
Okay?
Be sure to follow our Facebook page for additional content you won't find on our YouTube channel.
And thank you for joining our travels. We'll see you on our next Offbeat Discovery.
Bye. It's the final. Hi, I'm Troy.
Oh, I'm ready. And then I was on fire with ecstaticness when I saw all the old cars. And today we've traveled to North Charleston. And we'll see you on our next Offbeat Discovery.
Bye. My hat was popping up. Be sure to follow us on our Facebook page for additional content that you won't find. And there it goes.
Oh, dang, it was so good. I think we should give it 2 fire helmets.
I agree.
All right. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.